Hello, I'm Ken with Orion Telescopes and Binoculars, and this is our new Orion StarSeeker 3 127mm MacCass GoTo telescope. It's a 127, that's about 5-inch Maksutov Cassegrain telescope. That's a very long focal length, yet very portable telescope, so easy to carry around with you, but still has a very long focal length for a nice high magnification. It's our biggest Mac, it's our longest focal length Mac on the StarSeeker line of mounts. And speaking of the StarSeeker mount, the StarSeeker 3 is a fully computerized GoTo mount. So you punch into the hand controller what you want to see, it will go to it, it will center it, and then it'll continue to track it as it moves through the sky. So a very easy way to find things in the night sky without you having to do any of the work. It's sitting on nice lightweight aluminum tripod legs that are still nice and solid. So even though this thing looks fairly large and substantial, it's very lightweight and easy to carry around with you, yet still nice and solid when it's sitting ready to be viewed through. The computer itself has an upgraded database. There's 42,900 objects in the database. That's a big improvement over the last generation database in the hand controller. And it runs off of 12 volts. It comes with a little battery pack that you put 8 AA batteries into. We also have an optional accessory, an AC adapter. So if you're in the backyard and you have access to an outlet, you can plug it in without worrying about having extra AA batteries on hand. The telescope comes with a couple of accessories, including a 25mm low power eyepiece, a 10mm higher magnification eyepiece, and then the finder scope on the side here to help aim it during the initial star alignment process. A telescope like this can not only see very good detail in the solar system, you can see the rings of Saturn, moons around Jupiter, the cloud belts on Jupiter, and our moon. You can get into deep sky objects as well. 5 inches sucks in a lot of light, so all the Messier objects and many of the NGC objects, the Orion Nebula, Andromeda Galaxy are very detailed. You can also use a Mac for daytime viewing. You can take it off of this mount and attach it to a regular photo tripod if you wanted to take it out when you go bird watching, spotting, looking at the boats on the bay or the hikers on the mountain. And what that also means, the mount uses a standard dovetail, so you can actually attach any number of different telescopes onto this if you already had something and you wanted to make it GoTo compatible. It just has to be fairly small to fit within the fork arm requirements of the mount itself. All right, well there you have it, the StarSeeker 3 127mm MacCass GoTo telescope. Thank you very much. Clear skies.